3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of motion tracking in CapCut on your PC. If you find this tutorial beneficial, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. To begin, you need to import the video you wish to motion track into your CapCut project. Once you have your video ready, navigate to the top left corner of CapCut and click on the text option. From there, you can add default text to your project. Change the default text to a simple dot, which will serve as a reference point for centering your video. It's essential to enlarge this dot significantly and position it in the center of your video frame. This step helps in aligning various elements throughout the video. You can then extend the dot's timeline to cover the entire duration of the video. Next, select the video layer that you want to motion track, ensuring that your cursor is positioned at the starting point of the video. Move to the top right of the interface and find the options for position and size. Click on the diamond icon to insert a keyframe. You should see this keyframe appear within the timeline. Next, identify where you want to start tracking the motion in your video. For example, you might want to track when a ball is thrown. Move your cursor to that specific point in the timeline. You can then zoom in and adjust the position of the video, because the keyframe you added earlier will allow for a new one to be added automatically whenever you make changes. As you start adjusting the video, make sure to keep moving along the timeline, and you'll notice additional keyframes being generated as you refine the position to accurately follow the movement. Once you've completed the tracking and are satisfied with the results, select the dot layer you initially created and delete it. Finally, play back your video to see the motion tracking in action, and you'll find that tracking the ball is a straightforward process.